Hi there, students. Revamp. To revamp as a verb. A revamp as a noun. Revamped as an adjective. Revamping as well, the action of doing a revamp. Yeah? Okay, so to revamp, to make something new again, to change or arrange something again in order to improve it. So my curriculum's getting a bit old. I really need to revamp it. Yeah, to change it around and make sure it looks better. Our kitchen is getting rather old and a bit tired, so I really think we ought to get somebody in to revamp the kitchen, to put new things, to arrange it in a new way and to get it looking better. So if you revamp something, you make changes to try and improve it. Yes, this political party is looking very old-fashioned, and they need to revamp their image. They need to give their image a revamp. So to revamp as a verb, but a revamp as a noun. The system had a revamp, and the new revamped system is much better. Yeah, it's had a revamping as well. Okay, so lots of words but the same meaning. So to revamp, to patch up, to restore, to renovate, to revise or reconstruct. The essay I'd written wasn't very good and I wasn't very happy with it, so I revamped it. Yeah, I changed a few things around, and it looked much better after the revamping. Yeah, so it was repaired, it was rehabilitated. Normally that's for drugs, though. It was given an overhaul. It was renovated and made new. Yeah, I think this is a good time to revamp the house. Yeah, they bought a new flat and then decided to revamp it. Okay, so they carried out a revamping to give it an overhaul. Yeah, to refurbish as well, to improve. Yeah, the historical part of this town is falling down and it's in very bad condition. It needs to be revamped. Okay, it needs to be repaired, made look good again. It needs its image revamped. So formality, to revamp. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use this anywhere, in an informal conversation, in a semi-formal writing, and okay in something very formal. Maybe 4.99 in formality, something like that. Okay, so it's a regular verb. They revamped the house has been revamped. And then as to origin, well, it comes from re, again, new, and then vamp, meaning to patch, to repair, to refurbish. Okay, this comes from an Anglo-Norman word, from Old French, effectively. Vamper, meaning the top part of the foot or the shoe, or the top part of the top part of a sock covering the foot, not the sole but the top part, and that itself comes. Okay, so vamper, vampier, from avant-pied, the front foot, avant-pied, vamp, revamp. Yeah, avant in front and pied, foot. So that's the origin. Okay, so to revamp. Yeah, he needs to revamp his wardrobe and give himself a new image, to repair, to restore, to make look good again by changing things round. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To revamp, a revamping. It's been revamped by even a revamper. Bye for now.